So I need to be higher. So we've made a few changes internally in the home. We finally have a garage. So now that we finally have a garage, I can actually do what I want to work on this motorcycle. So why don't we give a layout of kind of my wife's section and then my section, which you're probably going to be seeing a lot more videos coming up, and I'll tell you why. So here it is, my section, all of our crap. And look at that motorcycle. All right. So I guess to start, we've got all of my wife's selling inventory, clothes, stuff, Poshmark, blah, blah, blah. I'll put links in her shop below. But we've got just general storage. Finally a spot for this motorcycle where it's not outside covered. So nice. I strung some lights up here just to make it look kind of fun. Got the surfboard, snowboards up there. But this area here is where we're gonna have to do some work. Now the plan is get my toolbox out of storage, put that here. Then build a workbench on this side so I can store things, I can put shelves up, I can organize all the crap that's on the floor and actually have a true workspace. So I'm really kind of excited to just finish this space and see what it looks like. But last piece, we gotta build a bench. Let's give it a shot. Home Depot, here we come. Alright, $100 worth of wood and a basic plan later, and let's see how this turns out. So this bad boy overheated, so you missed a little bit, but we're up. Now I gotta put the second shelf in here at the bottom, plywood on top. I think I'm gonna wait and put the lower shelf on, and then when I'm doing plywood and I'm setting it up back there, we'll continue, and I mean, you get the rest, right? Bottom's on. Now I gotta move all that stuff, get this back there, and then put the final top sheet on, and we got ourselves a workbench. Not bad. I would call it a 5 out of 10. Whatever. Good enough for me. Let's get the top on and be done. Whew. So that's everything. Now we gotta put stuff here. Oh God. And voila, it's done. Now I have a pretty solid, kind of crappy, alright workbench. I guess there's going to be some more shelves going up, probably move some things around, clean it up a little bit, but this is it. This is the domain now. To allude to, I am starting a build series now. With the workbench done, we're going to go through, we're going to put a power commander on the bike, and I'm going to show you how to do that with a tune in that process. And I've never done it, so this will be fun. Going to do a seat cover, going to do graphics kit, going to do a whole bunch of carbon fiber pieces, and we're going to paint the wheels with Plastidip. That, I don't know how that's going to turn out, because that'll be kind of interesting, but I think it'll all look cool. And it'll be done right here in my new garage. So stay tuned for more, and as always, keep riding. Yeah.